name's Kayleigh Elson and I have just graduated from media film production. The facilities for film is beyond incredible. Like, we have so many cameras between our course because we've got a massive course, so we need the equipment so we can actually do our work. And a lot of unis don't have like 3 cameras between an entire course, where we've got 1 like per crew, which is a lot. So I'm really impressed with the facilities. The lecturers have genuinely been so amazing. Like, they're so supportive, but not only in the workload, but like just mentally, physically, just everything outside of uni they support you with as well. And they just do so much more than they're supposed to. I've learned so much, like so much more than just my course sort of thing. I've learned a lot of life skills, I've met so many more people, and just the whole experience as a whole has just been amazing for me, really.